Hello friends, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the most authentic and delicious Ghanaian okra soup. Yes, this recipe actually is my favorite okra soup of all time and I truly want to share with you. So let's get started. In the cream pot, we're going to add shrimp. And next, we're going to add here our cow meat. And also I have here some few smoked fish that I'm adding as well. Next, I'm adding here salted fish or Koobi. And also I just added my mushroom. Next, I'm going to add fresh tomatoes, habanero pepper, and half medium onion. And of course, I just diced 3 of them and I just added in there. So next, I'm going to add my spices. I have here some garlic, ginger, my herb seasoning, that I'm adding. But with this recipe, you can use any preferred spices that you have at home. So next, I'm going to add about 1 cup of water, and that's what we're going to use to steam our soup. So next, I'm adding here like salt for the taste. After you're done, go ahead and cover that and turn your stove into a high-medium heat. That is what we're going to use to make this soup. After you're done, just go ahead and get a clean bowl and we're going to wash our okra. We are using fresh okra to prepare this amazing recipe. So after you're done washing, go ahead and cut them into small sizes, or even you can cut them into big chunks because we're going to blend it. But before then, we're going to add spinach. But at this time, I'm going to add my spinach in the blender and we're going to blend it. So usually we just dump it in the okra soup. But this time around, friends, we're definitely going to change the method. So I have here a whole pack of okra, and then after you're done, add 1 cup of water and then make sure that you blend it. So don't blend it too smooth, okay? After you're done, just go ahead and transfer that into your cooking pot. Just use like a little water to rinse and then add it as well, like what I am doing right now. Alright friends, so after you're done washing the okra, just cut it into big chunks and then add it into your blender. And I added about, a half cup of water, and we're gonna use like 5 seconds to blend this okra because you don't want it to be too smooth. No, that's not how we want it. So after you're done, go ahead and get it out. And then since we already have the spinach cooking, just go ahead and dump everything into that. Yes, to get a very slimy okra soup, just go ahead and add a half teaspoon of baking soda. Yes, that is the secret, friends. That is the secret. That is how you get that slimy consistency that you usually enjoy at home. That is how you like your okra. So after you stir, just go ahead and leave it on and have it cook for 5 minutes. Alright, so back to our soup. It's looking really nice, but our okra has been cooking about 5 minutes so far, and this is perfect. Okay, alright friends, so after you're done, just go ahead and leave it on the side and go ahead and blend your vegetables. This is what we're gonna use for our soup. Unfortunately, friends, it started raining outside, so I had to bring everything inside, but that's okay. Let's continue cooking because this is not gonna stop us from cooking. And as you can tell, friends, everything looks really nice. The smell, no challenge is from the Koobi, just say amazing and Cassava. All right friends, like I told you, we just boil the okra for just 5 minutes because yes, you don't want to lose that slimy consistency. That's what the secret of making delicious okra soup, because you're still going to cook it anyway, so don't overcook the okra. Please don't overcook the okra. So after that, I just garnish with some spinach and spicy pepper, just for my preference. But if you don't like it, that's absolutely fine, friends. So at this point, we're going to leave it on the fire for about 10 minutes and then this soup will be ready. Because we did not overcook our okra, you see how slimy this okra soup is. You can stir as much as you want and it's still gonna come out very slimy. Well done, friends. So our soup is actually done, and as for today, we're going to enjoy it with Konkonte. That is dried cassava fufu. Yes, that is what we're gonna enjoy that with. But you can also eat this soup with your eba, banku, kenke, fufu, whatever you have. Just go ahead and enjoy this amazing delicious soup right here. And friends, if you truly enjoy this recipe, make sure that you share for us, and also please try this recipe at home. I would love to hear your feedback. This is how I prepare authentic Ghanaian okra soup with Konkonte. Yes, and I hope you enjoy. Until I see you again, stay safe and have a blessed day.